Hello, welcome on my Spring Boot tutorial. Today we create a Spring Boot app with Visual Studio Code on a remote Linux server. We start the video by opening Visual Studio Code. As you can see in the terminal, we are on our Windows PC. We look to the extensions. That's from the previous video, Docker and Remote SSH. We do a remote connection, connect current window to host, and we choose My Home Lab, again from the previous video. If you want to see the video, you click on the link in the right upper corner. We wait a little bit. And we are connected. We go to the terminal, new terminal. We see now we are on our Open Media Vault Linux PC. We go to extensions. We see the same extensions and we're gonna install more extensions. The first one is Java. We choose this one, the first one, that's the extension pack for Java from Microsoft. Install. That can take what time? Sometimes more than 1 minute. And it's installed. Second one is Spring Boot. Again, we choose for the Spring Boot extension pack from VMware. Click install. Again, wait a little bit. And the extensions are installed. Can remove it. And you see all the extensions installed, Java, Spring Boot, and the first one, Remote SSH. Now we need to look if Java is installed, and we do that. Java version. You see, Java is not found, so we need to install Java. Therefore, we go to the website from Oracle. We choose JDK 21. We have it for Linux, Mac, and Windows, and different packages. This one, we go install the Debian package. We choose this one. Now we are back in Visual Studio Code. Download the JDK. See, it's downloading. A little bit patient. Once the JDK is downloaded, you can install. Sorry, we need sudo password. Unpacking. And the JDK is installed. Now we check it. As you can see, Java is installed. 21 long-term support. The next step is to go to the Explorer, open a directory on our Linux PC, and create a new folder. Call it Spring Boot. It's best to restart Visual Studio Code. New connection. Current window to host. My home lab. And we are again on our Linux PC. Explorer. Now you see create Java project. Click on it. And we have here different possibilities. For this one we choose Spring Boot. A Maven project. The latest is 3.3.3. Java. For ID group, you can choose whatever you want. The name, choose Spring Boot. Jar, Java 21. And now we choose the dependencies. The simple one only need Spring Web. Enter. And we success created a Spring Boot in this directory. We open it and we see here. It's best to look to the Java projects. Open it. And here we have a very good Explorer. Go to Java and you see here the main method to start the project. Now we're going to create a controller, a simple one, and test it out. To create the controllers, we go to the directory, click here, and we choose Add Package. Do controllers. See, I have the controller now. Click here and class. Choose home controller. Click on it and you see we have the controller. First thing we do is the annotation. Rest controller. Here. Okay. Now we create a new method. Head mapping and Visual Studio Code create a new method. A path. Sorry, this one gone. Do simple home. The name home. Request parameter. This one we don't need this. And return string my home lab. This one can remove. The last step is to change the port. You go to Resources, Application Properties, change server port. Look server port here, and we do 8111. Control S to save it. Now go to the main class and do run. As you can see, the application started. Now Go to here. Open MediaVault.local port 8111. Enter, and we have my home lab. The last step, we want to debug the app. You stop the application, go to Home Controller, and add breakpoint. Go again to the main method, this time not run, but debug. App is starting. We go to the browser, refresh, but you see the browser don't stop. We have the breakpoint here. And this time we can debug the application. That was it for today. Thank you very much and see you later. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. See you next time.